Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end of this video. Got a sweet giveaway going and you don't want to miss out. Okay, today we are going to make vegan Hot Pockets. Yes, that's right, ooey gooey hot, burn the roof of your mouth Hot Pockets. So excited. So it turns out that Pepperidge Farm puff pastry sheets are actually certified vegan. Blown away by this little factoid. All right, so thaw out one of the sheets for 40 minutes on a nice plate. Get your mushrooms ready to go. We're going to do a little mushroom and cheese. A quarter of an onion, dice it finely because we want to keep moisture at a minimum in this recipe. So you're going to get those getting translucent. Throw in your mushrooms and just keep stirring them around so they don't stick to the pan until the mushrooms start to release their natural oils. You want to remove those from the pan, and I decided to put some nutritional yeast in here. Once, stir, once again, and that kind of dried them out and adds a little bit umami flavor. All right, dust some flour on a working surface, unroll your sheet. We're going to roll this out to about the size of the rolling pin, and that way we're going to be able to make 6 Hot Pockets. Grease your baking sheet, cut the sheets, grab your Dijon mustard, and a nice little hack here is to separate the mushrooms in the pan so you know how much you're going to have to work with. All right, squeeze some mustard onto a single sheet. Grab your mozzarella cheese, click here for that recipe, throw on your mushrooms, and then get to rolling. You're going to roll it over so you want the cheese to be on top. So it's kind of like a burrito, one side in, other side in, and then just roll it over. And that's going to make a nice little Hot Pocket. It doesn't have to be exact. Don't worry about the crimping too much. Just kind of loosely get it together like this. Then you want to throw it back in the refrigerator while you clean up your kitchen. Get those chilled so when you touch them, they're not like soft anymore. It's back to a nice chilled dough. Brush them with some olive oil, and then you're going to want to make 3 slits across the top of them to let the steam escape. Preheat your oven 425, throw them in for 25 minutes. Check them about 20 though to make sure that they're not burning or anything. Take them out, let them cool on a rack because we don't want to burn our mouth too bad. But if you're like me, you couldn't wait and you still ended up burning your mouth anyways. Guys, can we pause here for a second and just talk about the fact that these are actually vegan? The cheese, the pastry, everything, and they taste better than any Hot Pocket I've ever had in my entire life. This was so easy, this was so fun. Please try this recipe. Comment below if you tried it and if you liked it. All right, Thug Kitchen 101. We're gonna give one of these away at the 500 subscriber mark. Again, thanks for stopping by today, guys. Like, subscribe, ring that bell, and I will see you next time. Thanks, y'all.